Apa dia?
Purple sebab baju saya warna purple.
Okey,
Mm-mm.
purple. Okey, baca.
Mama suruh pakai baju macam ni sebab saya tengah gegata.
Okey. Okey, baca.
Mm-mm. The treasure hunt.
A treasure hunt. Good job. Two boxes done now. Next.
Omar opened the old box
Opened.
slow. Opened. Opened the
Opened.
old opened.
Bukan opened. Opened.
Opened
Okay.
old box slowly.
Okay, good job. Omar opened the old box slowly. Two boxes. Next.
Inside the box was an old map.
Inside the box, an old map. Okay, another two boxes. Next.
It was a treasure map.
It was a treasure map. Good job. Another two boxes. Next.
Yep. Okay. He remembered grandfather telling him a story of buried treasure somewhere on their land.
He remembered grandfather telling him a story of buried treasure somewhere on their land. Good job. Another two boxes. Next.
He visioned, he visioned
He
himself.
visioned.
He visioned
Okay.
himself with the treasure.
He visioned himself with the treasure. Good job. Another two boxes. Next.
Gold coins and jewels.
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 Gold coins and jewels. Good job. Another two boxes. Alright, finish.